Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. Today, we are going to prepare French fries with mutton. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And also you are allowed to comment and share. And our ingredients are: I have potatoes, well chopped potatoes for making French fries. I have mutton. I have onions. I have tomatoes. I have dania. And I also have Knorr cube. Let's begin cooking. I have these two pots and I'm going to use this one to make my French fries and this one to make my mutton. I also have cooking oil with me, and let's begin by adding cooking oil to this pot. And light our gas. As we are waiting our cooking oil to heat, we are going to use this pot to make mutton. We are also going to light this gas. We start by heating our pot to dry it. We add cooking oil, not too much, just little. And then I add onions. And cover my onion to wait it to cook until golden brown. Our cooking oil is ready. Now I'm going to add potatoes. I'm going to wait for my French fries to cook. In my next pot, my onion is ready. And I'm going to add onions. And reduce heat a little bit. And I can't forget with salt. I'm also going to add salt. Just 1 teaspoon. Here is my nor cube. I'm not going to put all of it. I'm going to cut a half of it. And then I add our mutton. And cover for 10 minutes. As you can see, my French fries are still cooking. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because I have more content to come. And I said I will be uploading 3 times a week, and that's what I'm working on. And I try my best, so that at least I can have this content a week. I'm still going to reduce my heat. Yeah. My content are very helpful to everyone, because I do home content. That is, I do wash, I do cook, and many others. But mostly I do cook. And please, you can try my recipe. It's just a simple one, a traditional kitchen where I don't use spices except nor cube. That's the only thing I use most. And I don't like ginger because they do react with our stomach. And that's why I only use nor cube. I do prefer making French fry in my house because I can, even I don't know the reason why, but I love them. Well, I am the one who have cooked them. I prefer cooking for myself, not only French fry, but every day. In my next video, I might show you how I do prepare my cereals, because I do make them by myself. I don't like buying them well cooked. I do cook for myself. I also have Instagram page, and you can search me as Kinyonga, and also Facebook as Kinyonga. also do other things, like if you want your TV to be mounted on wall, you can also DM me or comment to my channel. You can DM me to get the foodie who can install, who can, hey, I'm talking about TV mounting. I have a foodie who can mount your TV. And also, if you want curtains, I have many curtains with me. And also wallpapers, I do have them. Please, you can also support me with those things, and I'll be happy. Our French fries are still cooking, and sometimes I love them when they are crunchy. As you can see, our French fries are well cooked. Then we are going to add dania to our mutton. This is how our mutton looks like. And it is ready. We are going to switch off our gas, and our French fries are also ready. Mama. I'm going to put them in this bowl and use serviette. And because there is no way we can cook and not serve, let's serve our meal together. yeah, and this is our meal for today. And that is it for today. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And also tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Let's meet to the next video.